Healthy cooking starts with the right Kadai. The Vinod Platinum Triply Kadai is made with 304 food grade stainless steel, is PFOA free, distributes heat evenly, and helps preserve up to 85% of nutrients for healthier cooking. This kadai is ideal for cooking on gas and induction. It is also compatible with electric ovens, ceramic cooktops, and halogen cooktops. It is designed to work efficiently across multiple cooking sources. It features SAS tri-ply construction, stainless steel, aluminium, stainless steel. The inner 304 food grade steel is followed by an aluminium core and 430 magnetic stainless steel, delivering efficient and even heat distribution. Today, let's check out the Vinod Platinum Triply Stainless Steel Kadai, the 3.7 liter 26 cm model. It is also available in different sizes ranging from 1.8 liters to 5.5 liters. And most importantly, we will put it through a real cooking test to see how it actually performs. This 3.7 liter variant of Vinod Kadai is priced at around 4,000, but I managed to get it for approximately 3,000 rupees. One of the main highlights is its triply stainless steel construction, which ensures uniform heating, while 304 food grade stainless steel makes it a safe and healthy alternative to non-stick cookware. Alright, let's open the box. Inside the box pack, you will get the stainless steel lid, user manual, and the tri-ply kadai, means 3-layered kadai. This is the user manual. It contains important information about using and maintaining the cookware. The stainless steel lid is with a solid build. It feels sturdy in hand and the finish looks clean and premium. Lid features a spreaded heat-resistant handle, making it easy and comfortable to hold and lift during cooking. Now let's move to the main attraction, the kadai itself. Look at the base carefully. Written Vinod branding and SAS metal. The stainless steel finish looks neat and polished, while a broad cooking surface provides plenty of space for everyday cooking. The handle is designed to provide a firm grip with heat-resistant feature. Here you can see how the handle is attached to the body using rivets. The riveting provides a strong connection between the handle and the kadai instead of relying on a simple loose attachment. Now let's place the lid on the kadai. As you can see, the lid sits properly on the top and fits neatly with the kadai. Now, one of the biggest highlights here is the triply construction. In simple terms, the cookware uses multiple layers of metal. Company called SAS metal means stainless steel, aluminium, stainless steel. Inner layer contains 304 food grade stainless steel. Outer layer contains 430 stainless steel. I am using this new kadai to prepare meat on a gas stove. As you can see, the broad and deep cooking surface gives enough room to mix the ingredients comfortably. The lid helps keep the heat and moisture inside while the meat continues to cook. The heavy construction, triply designed, spacious cooking surface, sturdy handle and matching lid make it a practical option for regular cooking. Apart from these pros, two cons I also found. One of them is non-transparent lid. You cannot see the cooking without opening the lid. Second one is hot metal handle. The handle can get hot, so you may need a cloth to hold it. Apart from this, the kadai is quite good overall. And that's it for today's video. If you found this review useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Digital Sprout, and stay tuned for more practical product reviews and tests. Thank you.